Alright guys, I ain't threw this rod but a handful of times, and the times I did throw it didn't work so great. So here goes nothing. Boom! I thought I was gonna die. Just kidding. Alright, we got her out there. I think I'm gonna wind that in, try her again. Hold on. Alright guys, I got an old night crawler out there. These got the old great chicken livers. I'm gonna tell you, man, he's a trooper. I'm trying to not fool with that shit right now, man. I would show you guys, but you guys would be sick and unsubscribe. I have been seeing bass jump, guys. So I got the catfish line out here. I'm gonna get old whopper plopper going and see if I can't catch us a bass. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so I was seeing them jump right over here. That was on the top. Obviously, they wanting something on the top of the water, so I'm gonna give them a top water ultralight whopper plopper. I got braid on here, guys. Baby, yeah, he's hammered it, son. I mean, that was just literally right there on the bank, boys. Awesome, man, I told you guys. Oh, yes, look at that bad boy. Ooh, YouTuber. Ooh. Oh, this hook's in there good too. Come on, I don't want it in my hand. There it is. Oh, B. Woo woo, baby, look at that thing right there. Bam, look at there. Look at there. Ain't it just, it is just a wonderful day, guys. This little feller, he chased this little thing all the way to the bank. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. That is sweet, guys. We're gonna turn him loose right here. That way you don't make a lot of racket. That was awesome. Alright guys, so He robbed my bait. I had some bites. I was filming this whole time, but guess what? It was in picture mode. I thought I was filming, so all that I was doing was for nothing. So I'm gonna try to, give you some content, guys. The rain is back. The weather's shitty. B is still over here trying to build this fire. We got old Zoom trick worm on B's rig here. Oh, that son of a bitch throws good. That's a good rod, B. Alright, so I got the old Zoom trick worm on there. See if we can't. I like this rod. Shakespeare Excursion. It's on a Lose LH 530. They don't seem to be. It's about too dark, guys, doing bass fishing. I'm just doing this because I wasn't filming in a while. It's getting dark. Which is this GoPro, it allows me to fish all the way too dark. Oh yeah, the water is definitely coming up because this, you can see I'm just chilling out here where the sandbar would be. It's starting to get deeper right in here and wash out. And this weather, man, it's been rough all weekend for us. There's all kind of driftwood here. There is no telling where it came from or how old it is. Like this old piece. So like somebody. That's a good log. It's a good darn log. Old log. This stuff ever dries out, it'll burn. Good wood. Alright, B's got something. It's probably a log, a body bag, or something. What you think it is, man? It ain't fighting like a fish. I can see that now. Well, I'm gonna film it because, I mean, it is what it is. Is it coming in? Oh, we're at 8%. You might want to get it. Get her in. Let me see. I got another battery in the bag. What you got on there, B? Alligator? Snake? This thing's actually got good lighting. Log. Or what? No, just a gob of shit. There it is, boys. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. The weather is definitely shitty. Me and B.O. here, we are roughing it out in this weather for you guys. My camera's going dead. So if you hadn't already, smash that like button. Y'all like the last ultralight river fishing video. Until next time, keep those lips ripping. Fishing. 864, we go.